Hello and welcome to Ajayasthramani Guru. I'm Neena, and today, the 17th of May 2024, we'll be discussing the latest updates and advanced analysis on key commodities in the market. Let's dive right in. Chili prices deep in Warangal on weak end of summer demand. In the major markets of Warangal, we have observed a stability to weakness in chili prices. This trend is primarily driven by subdued demand as the summer season comes to an end. With the conclusion of summer, end-user demand has reportedly weakened. Additionally, warehouses are nearing full capacity, contributing to the current market dynamics. Despite chili prices being at multi-year lows, stockists are showing reluctance to make new purchases. The market saw arrivals of 15,000 bags of chilies. Specifically, the price of Wonder Hot variety declined by 1,500 Indian rupees (1,300) per quintal, while the Teja variety experienced a slight increase, rising by 1,000 rupees per quintal. The higher supply of these varieties has exerted downward pressure on prices in the spot markets. Overall, this scenario underscores the significant impact of seasonal shifts on commodity prices. The combination of subdued demand and ample supplies is leading to a downward trend in chili prices. High arrival of cumin leads to price pressure. Turning our attention to the cumin market, we see a surge in arrivals which has resulted in downward pressure on prices due to the increased supply from farmers. In trading activity, the Jeera Unja contract for May delivery settled at 29,400 rupees per quintal, marking a rise of 825 rupees compared to the previous close of 28,575 rupees per quintal. The contract moved within a range of 28,575 rupees to 29,715 rupees for the day. Despite the price rise, open interest decreased by 21 MT to 156 metric ton, while trading volume decreased by 18 to 48 metric ton. For the June delivery, the Jeera Unja contract settled at 27,895 rupees per quintal, up by 835 rupees from the previous close of 27,060 rupees per quintal. This contract moved in the range of 26,825 rupees to 27,915 rupees for the day. Open interest for this contract decreased by 120 metric ton to 3,603 metric ton, while trading volume increased by 423 to 1,884 metric ton. The July delivery contract settled at 27,300 rupees per quintal, an increase of 560 rupees over the previous close of 26,740 rupees per quintal. The trading range for this contract was between 26,800 rupees and 27,300 rupees. Here, open interest increased by 9 metric ton to 96 metric ton, while trading volume decreased by 36 to 39 metric ton. Currently, the spread between the May and June contracts is 1,505 rupees per quintal. The spread between the June and July contracts stands at 595 rupees per quintal, and the spread between the May and July contracts is 2,100 rupees per quintal. To summarize, both the chili and cumin markets are experiencing notable shifts due to seasonal changes and supply dynamics. Chili prices in Warangal are under pressure from weak end of summer demand, while cumin prices are influenced by increased arrivals from farmers. Stay tuned to Ajayasthramani Guru for the latest updates and in-depth analysis on commodity markets. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.